9.2 exercise.
First bit, sir.
Yeah, 9.2 exercise.
Sir.
Uh, second, first one. Second bit, first bit, first bit completely was homework. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
And,
First bit you gave homework, sir.
and I hope you got a message from the school to submit the homework in another site. Is it or not?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
You will get it, I think. And you are supposed to.
Sir,
Huh?
in that chat they told today only 2 periods, master.
Yeah, only 2 period. The second period, of course.
Why, sir?
Huh?
Why, sir?
Daily there will be 3 periods, no, sir.
Yeah, of course. Today there are 2 periods. Let's follow it.
Yes.
Are you able to listen to me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Then, in the
Not
second,
audible, sir. Not audible, sir.
Not audible, sir.
am I not audible?
Background noise,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, sir. Not audible.
Sir, background
Not
noise,
audible,
sir.
Background. Not background.
It's going.
Not background noise, sir.
Yep. Now, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
You mean to say that I must use earphones? Okay, fine. Whatever. Second main bit. First one. Vinith,
Yes, sir.
answer the first one. Product. Multiply these two. P and Q. Product of P and Q is?
PQ.
Huh?
PQ, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm asking this to Vinith. What is the answer, Vinith? Vinith,
Yes, sir.
answer it. This first one.
Sir, can I?
Vinith, it is too easy. If you are not able to answer this, then which one will you answer?
Sir, may I?
Sir, may I, sir?
Wait.
Sir, may I?
Vinith should answer it.
28P, sir.
Please, sir. Huh? 98C.
PQ. Sir, which one you are telling, sir?
PQ.
Second bit, first one.
Second bit, sir. I am there.
You can see the box here.
Yes, sir.
Huh.
PQ, sir.
Okay, fine then. Then the second one.
Sir, can I?
Yes, randomly.
50 ml.
50 ml.
50 ml. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then third one.
100
square.
100x square y square. Can I make it as 10xy whole square?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
X cube.
10 extra whole square.
Then this one.
12x cube. 12x cube.
Then last.
X power.
M
to the power 2. Mn square p.
Yeah, 12 mn square. Okay, fine then. I will go to the next bit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This has been done, right?
Yes, sir.
We have completed the whole exercise only, no, sir.
Yeah, that
Yes,
is
sir.
what.
The fourth and fifth you gave homework, no, sir?
Yeah, fourth and
Sir,
fifth
and
is given in
9.3
this
first
first one.
bit also you gave, sir.
Yeah, this
I
first
did,
bit
sir,
also given to you as a homework.
First bit I did, sir.
Sir, first bit, second bit, third bit I did, sir.
Sir,
Have you done all 3 bits? I have given 9.3 only first bit as homework. And
I
9.
did only first bit.
First bit I have.
Okay.
Yesterday only first bit.
Okay, I said only first bit. If you are done only first bit, that's fine and well and good. So, shall I ask the answers individually?
Yes, sir.
So, I will start with Vinith again.
Yes, sir.
Give me the answer for this. First one in first. 4 P into QR.
so can I?
I'm asking to Vinith.
4 PQR.
4.
PQR.
No, wrong answer.
Sir.
So can I?
See, Vinith, one thing you should keep in
Can I
your
say,
mind.
sir?
You haven't
I
done the
did
homework.
not do, sir.
I know that you haven't done the homework.
Yes, sir.
Solve this and let me know the answer.
Sir, can I?
So may I?
Sir, can I say, sir?
Sir, can I, sir? Sir, can I?
Yeah, I want to ask you, what will be the answer for this?
4p
Four P cube
Sir,
plus 4
4PQ
PR.
plus
4p cube plus 4.
plus 4pr.
Remember, you are going to get binomial. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Then AB into A
A
minus B.
square b
A square B minus A square.
Minus AB square.
square. ab square.
Once again, somebody has told it wrong.
A square minus
AB
AB square.
Yeah.
B square.
A square B minus AB square. And here,
Sir, 7A
7A
cube B
square.
square
7A cube B square plus 7A square.
A square B cube. Okay, last one. I'll ask you particularly. Wait. I want it to. Why the Patil?
0 sir.
Huh?
0.
0.
Fourth one, sir.
Fourth one. This one I'm asking.
Fourth one sir.
How come you get this?
No, sir, he's telling 5th
I
one.
thought fifth one sir.
No. Say fourth one. Wait.
7a cube b cube. 7a
No.
cube.
Why 7? From where have you got that 7?
1 no, sir?
Sir, can I?
Sir, may I?
Sir, can I?
Sir, please, sir.
Can I?
Sir, please, sir.
Sir, can
Sir,
I?
please, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
okay.
please.
Whoever
Sir,
knows, say
please.
it. Whoever knows, say it.
Sir, A
4A
4A cube minus 36A.
36A.
Yeah. 4a cube minus 36a. So, Ved,
Yes sir.
why it is 4a cube?
Because they are
4a into a square is?
4A cube.
Into a square is 4a cube. Then plus
4a
into
cube.
minus. 9 fours up.
36.
36.
A
A.
cube.
Understand? Now why a cube here then again?
Sir, 36.
36a.
A.
I think you don't know to. I want you to solve these problems, but I'm not getting how to ask you to solve this in front of me.
I solved sir. Solved.
Okay, what is the fifth answer?
0 sir.
0, sir.
no, sir.
Now, here, complete the table. Complete the table.
How to?
Listen to me here. Are you all listening?
Yes, sir.
You have to complete this table. It means you have to multiply first expression to second expression. You will have to keep the answer along with you. I'll ask one by one. I'll give you.
Yes, sir.
Multiply these two. I'll ask one by one this answer.
Sir, ask me.
I'll ask everyone. Okay, I'll ask everyone. I'll not lead on. As I have asked monomale to monomale, I'll ask this to everyone again. You people just want to escape from the things. Huh? Really, it is very dangerous if you are escaping. So this is the important part. Okay, algebra is very important. If you do not understand algebra, if you do not come to know to multiply and subtract and divide or add of algebraic expressions, it is very difficult further. It is the only main important thing in mathematics. You must learn first.
Sir, B means 1 only, sir.
Huh?
B means.
I did not get you. P is P. That's it. Along with that, coefficient
B,
is 1.
sir. Yes,
What are you asking?
sir. For B,
B.
coefficient.
What is B? Where is
Yes,
B?
sir.
This B you are talking.
Sir, in first.
First, B plus
Yes, sir.
C plus D. You have to multiply A to B plus C plus D. A to B, A to C, A to D. The sign is plus 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 because added. Sorry, multiplied with the
Yes, sir.
plus into plus is plus. Now, let me know the answer. Solve it.
Done, sir.
Hmm?
Done, sir.
AB.
Ved has got muted. Unmute him. Yeah, Ved, are you unmuted?
AB plus AC plus AD.
AB plus AC plus
C plus AD.
AD. Okay, that's good. And don't say the answers. Keep with you. Solve them and keep it with you. Okay, quickly.
Done,
Do it
sir.
fast.
All answers.
Done, sir.
All
You have
answers.
all answers with you?
Yes, sir.
Then fine. Get ready. I'll ask one by one.
Yes, sir.
I'll ask it to. Okay, I'll ask randomly according to the rule number. Okay. Do you know the rule numbers?
Yes.
No, sir. You take out names.
No, sir.
Don't you know the rule numbers?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Last year's roll numbers.
Yes,
Sir, classes were separated.
Yes,
Two
sir.
sections were there.
There were the sections. Okay, I will tell the section also. How many sections were there? A, B, C?
AB, sir.
A, B. A and B. Okay, that's good then. Rule number 5 from section A. A5. A5.
Yes, sir.
Okay, A6.
Sir, I sir Guru Prasad.
A6. Answer Guru Prasad. Second one. A6. Answer. Guru Prasad, answer this.
First one, sir.
Second one. First one already answered.
5x square y plus 5x square minus 25xy.
No. Somewhere wrong. Check it once again. Do it. Say me once again the answer.
5x square y plus 5xy square minus 25xy.
Yes, this is the right answer. Last time you had told it wrong. I think you had done it correct, but you have told it wrong. Okay, then I will go for B12. B12.
What, sir?
Who is B12? Section B, rule number 12.
Pratiti.
Pratiti, answer.
Where is she, sir?
She's not there, sir.
She's not there? Okay, fine then. B20.
Thank you, Surekha, sir.
B20.
Sir, I didn't understood, sir.
Who is that?
Omkar.
Huh? Who is that?
Omkar, sir.
Omkar.
Omkar. Is it roll number 20 from B section?
No, sir.
No, sir. Surekha, sir.
Is she there?
No, sir.
No. Omkar, shall I explain this once again?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Listen to me. This is the last time I may explain. I don't ask. You should not ask me further to explain. Okay. We are multiplying this P to what? This complete expression. Is it or not?
Yes. Yes,
This
sir.
P to be multiplied firstly to this term. Okay. And the same P is multiplied nextly to this term. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And the same
Yes,
P
sir.
is multiplied thirdly to this term. Are you getting now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then P into 6P square.
PQ.
You know
Sir, P
monomial.
will in,
I think you were there in the monomial multiplication. Now, first term, both are monomials. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
You know the product of multiplication method to monomial. So 1 into 6 is 6. First you multiply sign. Plus into plus, plus of course. If you're not right, that's fine, not a problem.
Plus.
So then 1 into 6, 6. P into P square,
PQ.
P
Q.
cube. Are you getting now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, whoever not understanding, check it once again. First term to first term over. Then next first term to
Second one.
second
7.
one. Then plus into minus. First sign multiplication. Plus into minus.
Minus.
Minus. Then number to number. 1 into 7.
Minus
7P.
7. P into P.
7.
P into P.
P square.
Yeah, this is the right answer.
P square.
P square. The next. First to third. Plus into plus.
Plus.
Minus.
Who is that?
Plus.
Very nice answer.
Plus, sir.
Plus into plus is minus.
Plus, sir.
No,
No,
that is
sir.
minus.
No, sir.
Plus.
Sir, plus.
Somebody has
Sir.
told just now. Who is that?
Yes, sir. Someone said.
Plus into plus is
Plus.
plus. P into 5. Sorry, 1 into 5. 5. And that remaining P as it is. Okay. 5. P. P is not multiplied to any other similar variable. Okay. Okay. Have we got the answer now?
Yes, sir.
Omkar, are you understanding?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Is it easy or difficult?
Yes, sir.
Easy. Then Omkar, will you answer fourth one now? Omkar,
Yes, sir.
answer the fourth one now.
Yes, sir. I'm doing.
Yeah, do it. First term, it is a monomial and this is binomial. First to first and this again the same to the second. Okay. Yeah, are you doing it?
Yes, sir.
Answer. Answer, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, minus 4p power.
One minute. I'm behind here making unmute too. What somebody is muted here. I think I'll unmute them all. Okay. Okay. Fine. Answer now.
Can I say, sir? Can I
Don't-
say?
Yeah, I asked to Omkar. Omkar.
Minus 4p. Sir, 4p. 4p power 4.
Yeah, 4p to the power 4.
Minus.
No. Wait, 1 second. Who is that other?
Venkat, sir. What Venkat? Simply.
It was not Vankat, it was Swaroop. I muted him. Wait. Okay, fine then. Omkar, answer. Once again, answer it.
Minus 4p.
Why
4p
minus?
power 4.
Why minus?
Plus.
Plus into plus is plus only.
Plus
4.
p power 4 minus
No.
4
What? Where
q
this q square
power
has
4.
gone? Where this q square has gone?
Power 4
Here.
q square.
See, you are saying it wrongly. It is wrong answer. 4 into 1 is 4. P square into p square, p to the power 4. Should you say this q square independently or should it leave it there itself?
Independently.
You have to say it q square. This is not been multiplied to any of the first term here. So q square remain q square. So 4 p to the power 4 q square.
Okay.
Okay, you have to say like this. Then second term. Plus into minus.
4. Sir.
Plus into minus.
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 4.
Wait.
Q.
Omkar is answering. Wait.
4q power 4 p square.
Yeah. Or else 4p square q to the power 4. Both are same. Good answer.
Yes.
Okay. You got to answer now, right?
Sir.
Yeah, that's good. Then fifth one, answer. Fifth one.
I will, sir.
No. I will say the roll number.
Yes, sir.
B1.
Absent.
Option B2.
Absent.
A3.
Sir.
A3.
Yes, sir.
Answer.
Which, sir?
Fifth one. This fifth one. Who is A3?
Sir, I, sir.
I means
Atharva, sir.
Atharva. Okay, good. Answer.
Sir, ABC whole to the power square.
Wrong answer.
No, sir.
A, B, C. This is A plus B plus C. Both are different.
Sir, can I?
No.
Sir, can I answer?
No. 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 You cannot.
Sir, please,
You cannot.
sir.
You cannot.
Sir, please. Sir.
You cannot. I'm asking. What's his name? Atharva, and he must answer it.
Sir, please.
No.
A.
See, Atharva, ABC is monomial. Okay, it is not having 2 or 3 terms. It is one term. ABC itself altogether one term. Here A plus B plus C. These are 3 terms. Okay, then multiply ABC to A plus B plus C. ABC to A. I will give you a hint. I will give you idea to do this. Okay. This to this first. And secondly to this. And thirdly, directly to this. Okay. Yeah, do it now then.
Can I, sir?
Hmm?
Can I? Sir, please.
Yeah, if you want to answer, if you want to answer, message me personally.
Sir, what is this, sir?
Huh?
Yes, sir.
No, I am saying message the answer personally. Don't say can I, can I. Okay.
In chat you are sending, sir.
In chat personally. Okay, not in the group.
Yes, sir.
I will see your answers. If you are correct, I will reply yes. If not, no. I'll just keep seeing and keep saying it and leave
Sir,
it.
AB.
Answer.
Sir,
Atharva.
AB.
Sir, A square it will not come. A2 we are writing.
A2. You write A square instead of A square. You write A2. That will not come here. Okay.
Sir. Sir, A square. B square.
Wrong. With what you multiplied? See, Ved Patil, wrong answer.
Atharva, sir.
Ved also given wrong answer.
In chat, sir.
Sir, me.
Vaishnav is correct. Shilpa is correct. Basav Prabhu is correct. Ved is wrong. Okay. Keep giving the answers. I'll see it later. Not a problem.
Me, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I, sir.
Okay, you have given answer. No. Just be quiet. Let him answer. Answer. Atharva, we don't have a whole day.
Sir, my, sir.
Atharva,
Yes, sir.
we don't have a whole day to solve this.
Sir,
I
mine,
didn't
sir.
understand, sir.
Where were you till now? When I
Sir,
was
check
asking,
mine, sir.
did you understand? Where somewhere
I
else,
asked,
when I
sir.
asked the question to you, you say that you did not understand.
Asked, sir, one time.
Sir, check
Tasmir
mine,
Ali,
sir.
Muhammad Tasmir Ali is also wrong.
I, sir. I, sir.
See, I will say who is wrong. Remaining all are correct. Whose name I am not
Sir,
saying, they
tell
are
correct and wrong both, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Tell correct and wrong both, sir.
See,
Line
if
wise
you are
users are
I will
coming.
observe if they are wrong. Definitely, I will say that. See here, I will explain this once again. Whoever not understanding, I hope 2-3 are not understanding again from this class.
Arpita, don't answer.
See here, ABC into A, ABC into A multiplied. A into A is
A square.
A square BC. BC as it is. BC is not multiplied to anything there. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
So its first term will be
A square.
A square
BC.
BC. Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
Even you are supposed to see it.
Yes, sir.
Getting A square BC. And second one, ABC into B. B into B, B square AC. Or A B square C. Plus into plus is?
Minus.
Hey.
Plus, sir.
Who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
Sir.
Venkat.
Is it Venkat?
Yes, sir.
Don't you know the sign multiplication, dear?
No, sir. By mistake came, sir.
By mistake it is coming.
Yes, sir.
Are you sleeping?
No, sir.
Are you not sleeping?
Not sleeping, sir.
You are not sleeping.
Yes, sir.
So what will be its answer? Second term? A.
B.
B square
C.
C. Then what will be the third one? Plus into plus, Venkat.
Sir, plus into plus, sir, plus, sir.
Plus sir or plus?
Plus.
Plus or plus sir?
Plus, sir.
Plus sir. Okay. ABC into C is?
ABC square.
Yeah.
ABC square.
AB.
C square.
Yeah, right answer. Okay, are you getting now?
Yes,
sir.
Are you all understanding?
Yes, sir.
Ved, Atharva, you should not say later on that you are not understanding, you have the problem. Ved has answered, but it was wrong. Ved, you are supposed to understand it. And Muhammad, what's his name? Muhammad Ali. Tasmir Ali, you are supposed to know this. And even Atharva, you are supposed to know this. Got it? Shall I proceed? These three people, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Don't simply say yes, sir. When I ask the question, if you do not answer, that time I will really make you to remember one movie, Bang Bang.
When we come to school, sir.
Then I wish to bang you. Okay, find the product. Here, thry monomials are there. Here, I will again ask individually. Okay, keep doing this. Today, complete exercise should be completed. What time is left to us?
Sir, how second and third one to solve, sir?
I will do them. If you are unable to solve second and third, I will solve them. At least, are you able to solve the first one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What property are you going to use here? What property are you going to use here? Time up.
Multiplication.
Another half an hour is there with me.
Still half an hour, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. What is the property you are going to use here?
Multiplication.
Of course, multiplication. Okay.
Distributive.
In the we can use the distributive property. I'm not asking regarding that. What am I asking is exponential laws. Which law are you going to use here in the exponential laws? Exponential laws. Is it useful here? Laws of exponent?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Which law are you going to use here? Don't know. What is the first law? Can anyone recall it?
First law is AM into AN is equal to AM plus N.
Don't say AM. Say it as
A power M.
A power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n.
Yeah. If you have instead A only twice, if you have A for 3 times, what will you do? I said this also. See here. A power m into a power n. 2 is there. That is a coefficient. Leave that is as that is. Okay. So how to solve this? See here. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Look at here. Here. Take first term. A square into A square into
A square power
2D 2. Is it A or D? Okay, A. 2A to the power 22. Sorry. 2A to the power 22. Is it or
Sir,
not?
wait, sir. A2.
See here.
Sir cannot
Sir,
write the power.
A2 to sir.
Yeah, that is what. Here it is difficult to write the powers, so I am writing like this.
Sir,
Understand?
no, sir. 2A2 no, sir. Why I wrote A22?
Okay. 2A to the power 22. Is it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Okay. Is it clear now? So this 2A. So this 22 is power. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And this into first we shall do this. Okay. First we shall do these terms only. Okay. First 2 terms.
Okay, sir.
So what do you get its answer? 2 into 1. Coefficient first you write. 2 into 1.
2 into 1.
Yeah. Is there,
sir.
what is the coefficient here along with A square? What is the coefficient along with A square?
1,
1.
1. 1 into 2.
2,
2.
2. Then Next, a square into a to the power 22. A to the power,
A to the power 24.
a to the power
24.
2 plus 22, correct?
24, sir.
Yeah, what finally you get? 2
24.
a to the power 24,
24.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is again multiplied with what?
4.
This is again multiplied with
4a power
4a power 32.
a to the power 26. Is it or
36,
not?
sir.
26.
26, sir.
26, 26.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
then same.
26.
Yeah, 4 2s are 2 4s are
8.
2 4s are 8.
8.
A to the power a to the power 24 plus 26. Then what do you get?
50.
50.
8 a to the power 50 is the final answer. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Somebody has answered, I think, on the chat. Okay. Clear with this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope.
Plus mandara.
Powers. See, very simple. I will give you finally. It has very simple one to understand. Don't go for that much complicated also. Okay.
24 ಅದ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಇದು a ಮತ್ತು a into 2a ಅದು ಪೈಲ
Clear.
ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ
Are you
ಅದ್ರ
listening?
ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ
Hey, don't talk. Listen to me. I'm explaining.
ಸರ್ ಹಂಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ
Yeah. See here. 1 into 2 into 4. How much?
ಇದು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಾ
Somebody is talking there behind. I don't know who is that. Yeah, that is. I'm explaining once again. Look at here.
Yes, sir.
Everybody, observe me. So this is equal to 1 into 2 into 4. 1 into 2, 2. 2 4s are 8. Okay. So since their base is same,
Yes, sir.
their base is same.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
write
sir.
that A here. Okay. Okay. What are the powers?
2 plus 22 plus
Plus
2 plus
22.
22 plus
56.
26. Now, are you clear how to do this?
Yes, sir.
It is simple, very, very, very simple. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is equal to 8
8a
Sir.
a to the power 8 a to the power 2 plus 22 24 24 plus 26
50.
50. That's
Sir,
it. We'll have.
explain.
Second one. Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Are you all clear with the first one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very interesting. You are supposed to write here for the second one is very, very, very easy. Are the variables same here? X, y, square, y square.
No, sir.
I'm not asking whether they are like or unlike terms. Are the variables the same? X, y, x, y?
Yes, sir.
That we'll have to observe. I'm not asking whether they are like terms or unlike terms. Definitely they are unlike, but I'm asking whether they are having same variable or not. Since the variables are same, so what to do here? So of course we will look at for the variable set later. First, what to do for the coefficients? What for we have to for the coefficients? What are the coefficients here? Firstly,
2 by 3
2 by 3 multiply these two separately if you want.
Minus
Minus
9 by 10. Minus 9 by 10.
minus 9 by
10.
10. Okay. Are these multipliable, dividable, or something?
ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಬಲ್ ಸರ್
Sir, multiply.
Yeah, anything from the numerator, anything from the denominator can be cancelled. Numerator to denominator. If there is into, you can go for cross cancellation also.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
3 1 ja
You can
3.
go for 2 1s are
2 1 ja 5 ja.
2 5s are.
2 5s are. Okay. So then 3 1s
3
are.
1 ja
3 1s are 3
minus
minus 3.
So minus as it is 3.
Minus 3.
Yeah. What is left here? 1 into 3 in the numerator. 1 into 3 along with the minus 1 into minus 3.
3 to the power x cube y cube.
Yeah. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 and divided by
minus
1 into 5,
5. 5.
minus 3 by
5.
5 x
So
cube by
what is the variable? What is the coefficient value now?
sir,
Resultant
x cube by
coefficient?
cube
No, coefficient.
Minus 3
minus 3 by 5
minus 3
Minus
by
3
5.
by 5. Okay. Then here x is there, here also x is there. X into x square.
cube
X into x square. How do you get?
Cube, sir.
X cube by cube.
X, x square. That you will get finally 1 plus 2. X to the power
3.
3. That is x cube. Is it or not? Same way.
Yes, sir.
Y into y square, y cube. Then the final answer is
Minus 3 by 5.
minus 3 by 5.
X cube by cube.
X cube, y cube. Are you clear?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Vineet.
Yes, sir.
Look at here. Your AC is on.
Yes, sir.
Look at here. So have you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand how to solve it?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
before cancellation also the answer is correct only, sir.
Before cancellation?
Sir, without cancellation, sir, the answer outcome is there, no, sir. It will also be correct, sir.
At the end it will cancel, no? Again at the end it will cancel. See, for example, this example will I'll go once again in the different way. So that, see here, I'm not cancelling here. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
So plus into minus? Minus. Minus what? 3,
18.
2 nines are
18.
18. Okay. So
Sir, without cancelling it, and we can keep, sir.
yeah, no. You will have to simplify it, okay?
Yes, sir.
So 3 tens are?
30.
Are these two divisible by any number?
Yes, sir.
6 is the first. 6 3s are
18
18. 6 5s are
30.
30. What is the answer then? Same. Is it or not?
minus 3 by
Minus 3 by
Minus
5.
3 by
5.
5. Was it same before?
Yes, sir.
Minus 3 by 5. Then the coefficients, that variables like x into x square, x cube, y into y square, y cube. So therefore minus 3 by 5, x cube, y cube is the final answer. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So then I want you all to solve third one quickly.
Done, sir.
Third one.
Sir.
Third one.
Done, sir.
Done. I'll ask particularly my favorite roll number. Roll number 7 from A.
Harsh, sir.
Yes, Harsh. Roll number 7 from section A. Roll number 7 from section A.
Harsh.
Harsh Singh.
Sir, he is muted, sir.
Okay. I'll unmute. Wait, Harsh. I'm seeing you. I'll unmute. Yeah, Harsh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now you can talk and answer.
Yes, sir.
Third one.
Third bit, which one, sir?
Third one. This one. Third one. Quickly, make it fast. We are going very slow. It will not make us to finish this exercise today. If we are going like this, when will we finish? We will be here only in this chapter for 2 to 3 years.
So may I?
Make it fast. I'm asking Harsh. Make it fast. Solve it, everyone. Solve it quickly.
So we can solve, sir.
the solve, sir.
So
Who
we
has-
can send in chat.
Yes,
So we
sir.
can send a chat.
Yes, send it in the chat.
Sent, sir.
And Harsh can answer it orally. Harsh, you can answer it orally. Harsh, have you solved? Have I muted you again? Unmute yourself. Harsh?
Muted, sir.
Harsh is muted. Okay, Harsh is unmuted, I
Yes.
think.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, answer. Don't mute it.
But it is not coming, sir.
You are not able to answer.
Yes, sir.
Minus 4, 4. Okay, okay.
minus 4.
Minus 4.
Minus 4 p
to the power 4 to the power 4.
Yeah, it is the right answer. Okay, I will. Harsh,
Yes, sir.
look at it. So number to number. 3 ones are
3.
right. 3 twos are correct.
Yes, sir.
Here. Then 5 ones are correct.
Yes, sir.
5
2, sir.
twos are. What is left at the denominator? Both the sides. Both the denominator. 1 1.
1, 1.
Okay, not at all to be considered if there is 1 at the denominator. Okay. Then look at the numerators here.
2, 2.
No, sign.
Minus.
Minus 2 into 2.
4 minus 4.
What the answer?
Minus 4.
4. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Then P Q cube. P into P cube.
P into P cube.
P cube. Here is 1 P. Here are 3 P's. Total
4.
4 P's. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Then here, how many Q's?
3.
3. Here,
1.
all together,
Q4.
4. Don't say Q4.
For
What do you
Q.
say?
To the
It?
power 4.
Yeah, Q to the power 4. So what is the answer? Minus 4, P to the power 4, Q to the power 4. Okay? So P into P cube is P to the power 4, Q cube into Q is Q to the power 4. Understood, Harsh?
Yes, sir.
So will you answer fourth one, Harsh, now?
I will see, sir.
Harsh, fourth one.
Sir, I'm sending in chat.
Yeah, I got.
X square. X into X square.
Yeah, you are right. Charts are correct. Just keep the bases as that is. Just add the powers. How many powers are there? Harsh?
4.
Yeah, add them all. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4.
9.
Yes, sir.
1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4.
10.
10. 10, sir.
Yeah, what's the answer?
10.
Mithilesh.
Sir.
Shravani, you were wrong. Mithilesh and Shravani.
Yes, sir, I got to know that one.
Why?
Can I?
You have missed one value.
So may I?
Yes, sir.
That is x to the power 1. If there is nothing, here it is 1. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Can I?
Mithilesh,
Can I answer?
Yes, sir.
Sir, background noise.
Sir, can I?
Can I?
So may I?
Yeah, all the answers are correct.
Yes, sir.
So don't say can I. Let Harsh to answer it.
Sir, mine is correct, sir.
Who is that?
Guru Prasad.
Guru
sir.
Prasad.
See here. All are correct except one I have told, Mithilesh. Mithilesh got to know?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then
Chitragupta.
the next. Now Mithilesh is also correct. Then
Yes.
next.
Sir, I sent fourth one, sir.
Fourth one. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I got. Shailaj, I got. Right answer.
So mine, sir. So mine, sir.
Everybody's is right except Harsh. I want Harsh's answer. Harsh.
Yes, sir. That is not coming, sir.
Add the powers, man. Are the bases same everywhere? Harsh,
10, sir.
what is the base here? What are the bases here? X everywhere.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If the bases are same, powers can be added. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Add the powers. What are the powers?
It
1
depends
plus
upon the operation
4.
also, no, sir.
Yeah.
Depends upon the operation also, no, sir. If it is
Depends.
multiplication, sir,
Since it is
so we
multiplication,
can
then
add.
only. Yeah, that is what it is. Multiplication. That is the reason we are using first law of exponent and we are multiplying. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
If
sir.
not multiplication, I would have not asked you to add like this. Those will be a. If there was addition in between, would we have added it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Fourth,
No, sir.
Shailaja, fourth bit. First one you are solving. Okay, fourth bit first. We will see it later. First bit, third bit. See here, Omkar.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, not Omkar. What's his name?
Harsh.
Harsh. See here.
Fine.
Since
Yes,
all
sir.
the bases are same, x, everywhere x, right?
Yes, sir.
Then what are the powers here? 1.
10, sir.
1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Total?
10.
10.
Its answer will be
10x.
not 10x. What is it read
10.
as? We'll have to read it as 3 to the power 10, not 10x. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine then. Main question number 4.
Question number 4. To whom, sir?
Main question number 4. So, are you able to solve these problems, or shall I give one problem?
Sir, in fourth bit, anyone you solve and choose.
Okay. First one.
First one, sir.
Huh?
First one, sir.
Shall I solve first one?
Yes, sir.
So very simple. You are supposed to add these 3 terms. How many polynomials given to us? How many polynomials are there?
Yes.
How many polynomials are there with us?
2, sir. No, sir. 3.
How many polynomials are there? 3. We have to add. He has told initially what to do here. What to do here?
Add.
Okay. So now, but directly we cannot add here. There is a problem. Can we add directly here? No. First, we will have to make a multiplication process. So I will do it here. I solve this problem here. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
P into P minus
Q.
Q. Is it? Then what to do? You have to add, right? Plus Q into Q minus R. Plus addition is there. Say plus R into R minus P. Are you all listening?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then I shall proceed. This is equal to what? Multiply this P. Monomial to binomial. Monomial to binomial.
P square.
P
What
square.
is this? Monomial to binomial, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then P2 first P. P2 then
P
next Q.
square.
P into P.
P
P
square.
square.
Square. Then plus into minus.
PQ.
Minus
Minus.
Minus.
minus PQ.
P into
Minus.
Q.
PQ.
PQ.
Then next is plus into plus.
Minus.
Hey,
Plus.
Plus.
cut. Plus into plus.
Plus.
Then Q into Q.
Q square.
Q
Q square.
Q square. Then plus into minus.
Minus.
Minus. Q into R.
QR.
QR.
Yes, sir.
Not QR.
R, sir.
QR. QR.
R.
R into
R square.
R square. Plus into minus.
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 Minus
RP.
RP. Or PR you can write. Is it or not?
Okay, sir.
So
Yes,
is there any further simplification? So I'll write here plus terms one side. Shall I write P square
Yes, sir.
plus
Sir, my fourth bit is finished, sir.
plus R square. Wait. Shall I write plus signs value plus values at first? P square,
Yes, sir.
then Q square plus Q square plus R square. I have written. Then next minus
Minus
Minus PQ.
Q.
Q minus
minus QR
QR minus
minus
RP.
RP. Are these remaining, sorry, RP, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Are these anything here appearing like terms? Are you finding any like term here further? P square, Q square, R square, all three are different. Minus PQ,
Yes, sir.
minus QR, minus RP. These are also not like terms, unlike terms. Is it or not?
Yes.
Can be done further? Can we do any addition or subtraction further?
No, sir.
No. Oh, this is the final answer. This is the final answer. Yes?
My fourth bit is finished, sir.
Okay, that's fine. Then if you have completed, take a snap and send it to me. Okay, everyone. Time is there. Still time is there. Okay, we will do.
5 minutes, sir.
Yeah. Shall we? Shall I ask you to solve the second one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, solve it.
Sir, can you explain fourth bit A question where x is 3 and another x is and a half?
So here it is a subtraction. Okay, shall I explain?
Yes, sir.
So okay. I did not go for the fourth bit. I have directly gone for the fifth bit, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay. Sorry. I forgot the fourth bit. So fifth bit you are clear, I think. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll go for the fourth bit. Okay. Sorry for that. So look at for the fourth bit. Simplify and find the value for x equal to 3 and x equal to 1 by 2. What to do here is you have to solve it. After solution, you have to put x equal to 3 and x equal to. So I'll solve fourth bit first one. Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is that first one? See, 3x.
Sir, it is 63, sir.
3x into, yeah, what are you talking about? 63. I will just see 3x into 4x, 3x into 4x minus 5, 3x into 4x minus 5, so plus 3. Okay, so this is equal to, see, what is this equal to? 3x into 4x, multiply here, 3x into 4x, 3 4s are
Square, 12x square.
x
12x square.
Okay, so 12x square, this is actually x. I will write it as, there is no other chance to make it. 12x square, then
Minus 15. Minus 15.
3 5s are
15 minus 15.
what about x here?
Minus 15x.
Minus 15x, then last one remaining is plus
Plus 3.
Plus 3.
Then put first bit. What is first bit?
So x is equals to 3.
Put x is equal to
3.
3. We get, what do we get? What do we get? 12 into, what is x square? X is 3.
9, 12 minus 5 plus
3 square value is 9, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then minus 15. What is x value? 3. Is it? Then plus 3. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is equal to, what do we get?
6.
12 nines are.
66.
12 nines are.
18.
12 nines are 18.
72.
No, 72.
12 nines are
72.
72. Hey, not 12 nines are 72. Wrong.
108, sir.
Yeah, 12 nines are 108. Minus, plus into minus, minus. 15 3s are
Minus.
45. Plus
3.
Then this is equal to, what answer you are going to get? 108 minus 45 plus 3.
66.
108 minus 45.
One.
Answer is 66.
66. Sir, 66, sir.
66.
Yes, sir.
66 plus 3.
No, sir. The total answer
Altogether it
is
is 66.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
108 minus 45. 108 minus 50. 108 minus 50 is 58. 58 plus 5. 63 plus 66. Okay, altogether 66.
66, sir.
Yes,
Have we
yes,
got
yes.
this answer as 66?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So
Sir,
second one now.
sir. 1 by
Yeah.
2.
1/2, sir.
Second one. What have you to submit? To substitute?
X is equals to 1 by 2.
Put x is equal to
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
2.
Like this, okay?
Yes, sir.
What do we get? We get same thing. So
Time up, sir.
Sir.
wait. There are
Just one question and then.
this one we will finish and then we will go to the next. I'll leave you.
Next, sir.
12 into 12x square. 12 into x to the x
One, sir. One.
by 2. 1 by 2 square, correct?
Yes, sir.
So it will be 1, sir.
1 by 2 square is 1, not 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4.
Yes, sir.
Because 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. 1 by 4. Yes or no? Numerator you use the one more what that called exponential law. A by b to the power m. A to the power m divided by b to the power m. Is it or not?
Yes, sir. Yes,
That property we are using here.
Yes, sir.
So then next minus 15. 15 x is 1 by
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Okay. Then minus
Plus
15, 1 by 2 plus
3.
3. Okay. Then look at the answer now. This is equal to.
Yes, sir.
What is this equal to now? So 12 into 1 by 2, you can divide it. 2 ones are 2 6 are. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
2 ones are 2 6 are. What do you get? 6.
Yes, sir.
6
You can
into.
do it, no, sir.
Sir. Don't divide it now. First square to be
Okay,
done.
sir.
I confused. That was 2. So 12 into square is there. So see here. 12 into 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4.
1 by 4, yes, sir.
This we have to do first. Okay. Then minus 15 into 1, 15.
15.
15 divided by 2.
2.
2. Then I will put it in the bracket so that it will be easy to understand. And then plus
3.
3.
Plus
So
3.
this is equal to. This is equal to. See here. You can divide. 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. What are we going to get here? 3. Is it or not? 3
sir.
minus 3 minus 15 by
15 by 2.
why 3? You are not getting. So 1 by 4. 12 ones are 12 divided by 4. I'll write it like this one more time. 12 ones are 12 divided by.
Sir, can you tell one more time?
Yeah, I'll repeat once again. Don't worry.
Getting confused, sir.
Here I am unable to write it clearly so that you are getting confusion. Squares and twos are getting confusing. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So, okay, in tomorrow's class, I'll write it in the word, office word, so that you will understand this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you have 10 more minutes, I'll solve it here. What shall we do?
Yes, sir. Solve, sir.
Shall I solve? So someone copy down the question. Someone copy down this question.
I have textbook only, sir.
Okay, then that's fine then. I will share it. I will solve it. Wait.
Sir,
Hmm.
did you get the answer, sir? I sent you, no, sir.
Yeah, I got the answers,
Yes,
but I want to explain it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I got the answers.
Last one, sir. I will send you, no, sir. Yeah, disable the chat.
Okay. Okay. Fine then. See. What was the question? Can you say me the question?
Yes, sir.
So have you got the question? Say me the question.
So 3x.
From 3x
3x.
Bracket 4x.
Bracket
bracket 4x.
Wait.
3x
It is not
bracket
being
4x.
typed. It is not being typed. I don't know why. 3x. Okay, 3x. I will just write little bigger. Okay. 3x
Bracket 4x.
Bracket 4x.
Bracket 4x.
into
Minus
4x.
5.
Minus 5. 4x.
4x
Minus 5.
minus 5. Is it correct?
Bracket
Yes, sir.
Bracket
Bracket close.
plus 3.
Plus
Plus 3.
Plus 3.
3. Is it? That's it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Fine then.
And the x
Sir.
value
First one x is equals
No.
to 3.
So first we will simplify.
First, we will have to simplify, sir.
Yes, we will simplify. 3x into 4x. 3 4s are
12
12
x
Well,
square
12x square.
x square minus 15 plus 3.
12x square
Minus 15 plus 3.
minus 15x. Why only 15? 3 5s are 15
15x.
plus
15x plus
3.
3.
Okay. Are you able to understand now how the equation is?
Sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then what is first one now? First one. Put
X is equals to 3.
put x
So
equal
that's
to
done, sir. That's done, sir.
First one is
that's done. You want second one directly?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Then okay. Put x equal to
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
okay 1 by
2.
I'll write 1 by 2 so that you will understand it clearly. Put x equal to 1
1 by 2.
by 2. Okay. Okay. Put x equal to 1 by 2. Then what do we get? 12
12
x to
1
the
by 2.
x value is
by 2.
1 by 2.
Control C. X value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square. Is it or not?
Square.
1 by 2 square, sir.
Yeah, 1 by 2 square. I'll write it. 1 by 2 square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then next is
Minus.
minus
15
15 into x is
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2, sir.
1 by 2.
1 by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Then next minus 15
Plus
1 by 2
3. Plus 3. Plus 3.
3. Then so
12 1 by 4, sir.
yeah
12 1 by 4.
12 into
1 by
1 by 2
1 by
converts
4.
as
1 by 4.
1 by 4. Why 1 by 4? Anyone?
Sir, square, sir.
Because
Because of the square.
Squaring both the values. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
1 by 4. 12 into 1 by 4.
Minus 15.
15 into
1 by 2 plus 3.
1 by 2.
plus 3.
Plus
So
3.
I'll write same once again. Okay. 1 by 2
Plus 3.
3.
plus
3.
3. Okay. So I'm supposed to write is equal to here. Okay. And yes.
So we can cancel, sir.
That is what we will do next. So here 4 ones are 4. How much are 12?
4 3s are 12.
4 3s are 12.
4 3s are. Can I write it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
3. It will be 3.
3.
That's it. 3. That's it. Is it or not? 3 into 1 3.
Yes, sir.
1 by 4 has vanished. 1 by 4 of 12. 4 ones are 4 3s are 12. That's it. 3 minus 15 by 2. 15 by 2. Will it be half of 15?
Yes, sir.
7.5.
Yes, sir.
Is it or not? 15 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 7 ja 14. 1 remained. Point 10. 2 5 are 15. Is it or not? Sorry, 2 5 are 10. So answer
We
is
can
7.
write direct answers also, sir.
I am unable to do it here, so that I am doing it right directly. Okay, you can cancel, you can do that all things, cancellation, valuing, getting the value, that all can be done. Okay. Plus, sorry, plus last one left is 3. The last final answer 3 plus 3.
6.
3
9.
plus 3 6 minus
7.5.
5.
what
Sir,
will
how
be
7.5 came on 3?
yeah, subtract these two. I mean that
Cancel.
15 ones are 15 ones are 15 by 2. What is
Yes,
15 by 2?
sir.
Half of 15 is
7.5.
got it now. Then
Yes,
6 minus
sir.
7.5. 6 minus 7.5.
Yes.
1.5.
Yes. No, not 1.5. You are wrong.
No. Sir.
It's 1.5.
Wrong answer.
Sir, it's 7.1.
Wrong answer.
1.5, sir.
Wrong answer.
Minus 1.5.
Yeah, right answer.
Minus 1.5.
Minus 1.5. This is the right answer.
Or sir, we can keep it in a division that by
P
form,
by,
sir.
P by Q form.
Fractional form.
Okay, you can write. Not if not in the decimal, you can write it in the fraction. But why did I write it like this? Is you would have gone for taking LCM and all. If not,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Took
sir.
like that only.
you would have taken the LCM. Then thereafter, you would have got this. What answer would have got for this? You know,
Minus 3 by 2.
Minus 2 by 2.
minus 3 by 2. You would have got the answer as minus 3 by 2.
3 by 2.
The answer would be minus
3 by 2.
3 by 2.
It will be minus 3 by 2 like this. Both are same. Okay.
Sir, next.
Huh? What? Got it now?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you want, take it down quickly.
Sir, today's homework, sir.
Remaining 2 problems. Remaining 4th bit, second problem. 5th bit. So, shall I share the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you want to see that? Shall I close this?
Yes, sir. Close.
This one I'm closing and that I'm sharing again.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here. Fourth, the second one B, 4th B, 5th B, C, D. Will you do them?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
4th B, 5th B, C, D.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
why
Yes,
not A, sir?
Hmm?
Eight
A1.
now.
A is
Yes,
done.
sir.
A I have done.
Completed.
A I have done it in the class.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will ask everybody's homework. Venkat,
Yes, sir.
I
I
have
want your
considered,
homework.
sir.
Where I want your homework.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are supposed to send your homeworks. I am seeing you are not sending it from 2-3 days. I'm not
Sir.
finding your homeworks. Huh?
For 1 minute, you
sir,
enable chat, sir. Enable chat.
Should I enable the chat? You are
Yes,
enabled.
sir. One.
Yeah, who is chatting?
I want to send you, sir, last answer.
Okay, you take a photo and send it to my mail, no? Not a problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Fine.
sir, did you receive my homework, sir?
Now have you sent?
Sir, not now, sir. Yesterday's homework.
I got some homeworks. I don't know particular the names, but I got. See here, one thing I want to say you clearly. So shall I stop sharing this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One thing, listen to me.